Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your AltoCrypto IRA account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your AltoCrypto IRA account, firstly open your Google search. Type in AltoCrypto IRA login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. It will take you to the login page of AltoCrypto IRA's account. Enter your email address as well as password associated with your AltoCrypto IRA's account and then click on Login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot your password. This is how you can log into your AltoCrypto IRA's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.